What park are we in?
Timberland Park.
Here we are, Timberland Park. Got the basket up and running. Got all of our gauges set up. Burning off some fuel today. Making sure that everything's up to par. We even got our fan running. So all positives. It's just a little too wet to get the actual envelope out.
Want to give us a burn? I'll step back a little.
Yeah. Burn number 3.
Yep.
I think it's number 4, isn't it?
Yeah, 4. Sorry, so I just did 2 6 left.
So we're keeping a little bit of a
side, yeah.
track of our fuel consumption as we burn the fuel off these tanks. You want to give us a brief tour of the suit controller?
Yes, plss here. We have our BG that'll come into the manifold pressure, and as we balance that out, we've got a BG flow. That BG flow will have up to 60 liters per hour.
Cubic feet per minute.
Cubic feet
Sorry,
per minute.
per hour.
Per
1
hour.
cubic foot per minute.
Then we come down into our suit pressure here, highs and lows. And here we'll be able to read our actual suit pressure.
Suit temperature and coolant temperature gauges.
Up top, as well as CO2.
Suit CO2 number. And then how about our flight instruments?
Flight instruments over here. Going up, we have a couple redundancies. Our vertical speed, ambient temperature, as well as envelope temperature. Our altimeter, pressure altitude, and our compass. And this one over here, I'm not actually sure what that one is.
That's simply the time.
That is simply the time.
And you can turn it, pull it out here. What's the time, Ben? We had 9:30 something?
But it's 9:40.
9:40, so we'll set it to 9:40. And then when you push the stem back in, give it about 5 turns, and this winds it, and it'll run 8 days on that. It's a clock from a World War II plane. It's meant to run 8 days. It has new lubrication inside, and at very low temperatures it still ticks.
That is pretty cool.
Yeah. And then below it, if you need, for any kind of timing events, you can say, okay, I need to wait 20 seconds before I do something. So this is just a flight timer that you can use for various things.
Beautiful.